Hello everyone. Today I want to discuss how can use the program Smart QC. It's for mechanical engineer, material engineer, and inspector, and who will work for the facility that use piping, welding. So first, if you want our product, go to Google Play. There is two program, Smart QC and RTJ Gasgate. Here the program you can install. It's free. And if you want another thing, like About Us, WhatsApp, YouTube, the down button. From the beginning, when you install the program, it's empty, and you need to download the content for one time. So I will press the button, download all. This is the developer of program. He will automatically download everything. And when I discussed the or explain the content, I will make the internet off because the promotion or the advertising in the program. So after some time, it will download complete. Yes. So the first thing, it's about welding. Welding. Here I put some essential content about welding. First, the acceptable and unacceptable welding profile. Now it will automatically upload the content with the internet. And there is some type of advertising because the ad mob. So I will make the internet connection off and depend on the downloaded content. So any type of PDF browser will be sufficient. So this first, the type of fillet weld and butt weld acceptance and not acceptable profile. The next one is ASME essential variable. The essential variable mean that some part of welding procedure specification, if it's essential, you will need to re-qualify the WBS. It's from ASME section 9 for shield metal arc welding, gas metal arc welding, and every type of welding process. The third is the type of crack. Fourth, the defect in welding image. So this from CSWIP. This L type of defect, name and nature. If you see, I use my program without internet connection. Now the joint preparation, it's discussed every type of joint preparation from butt to groove to U-type and the dimension of angle, gap, thickness for the weldments or welding. This very important table in our application. This give you the classification of material according to the base metal. Here the carbon steel. If it's pipe, it's about A106. If it's tube, rod, and the suitable type of electrode for rod, cub, and face. This also to low and intermediate alloy steel, stainless steel, ferritic, martensitic, nickel, and alloy. This a very important table can be helpful if you want to choose the correct electrode for shield metal arc welding or for its pair rod and cover rod. Someone for shield metal arc welding and another for gas tungsten arc welding. It's also give you preheat temperature, post-weld heat temperature, and maximum hardness. I make the internet off because every button will give some of advertisement. Then now this in welding, this preheat for piping for ASME B31.3, it's give you if you need to make a preheat for the weldment and the requirement for it. So for the carbon steel, if the material thickness greater than 1 inch 25 millimeter, you need and also it's about the carbon content, you need 10 CLZ to 95. Also for alloy steel, and if you see this one for alloy steel, it's need about 120 CLZ. So this requirement of preheat temperature for carbon steel, alloy steel, stainless steel, and nickel. This from B31.3 table. It's code. Now, this stainless steel electrode selection. If you make welding for stainless steel, you need to choose a suitable type of electrode. So if I want to welding stainless steel type 304, make with 304, make a cross link between them, and the result it's about 309, the suitable type of electrode. So it's a technical selection, stainless steel, and for the dissimilar material also. Now it's about the imperfection in welding, the defects. It's about to explain each type of imperfection, like crack, cavity, inclusion, classification, discussion, and the way of remedy for the imperfection in steel. Now, welding procedure specification collection. This a library of procedure specification from Saudi Arabia, Aramco. It's contain about 200 WBS, and it's fully access for the each type of material, from carbon steel, stainless steel, plate, pipe, many WBS. Can it's be very benefit if you try to have a new WBS. Then it's also arc weld crack. This main classification make classification for crack, cold crack and hot crack, type of crack, the location, and crack initiation, and this appearance of crack, the causes and occurrence, why the crack will be appear. Then for the welding, it's also about the post-weld heat treatment. If I want to make a post-weld heat treatment, this give me the requirement and condition when I shall make post-weld heat treatment. So for the, it's about selection depend upon a B number from 1 group to 3. If the thickness above 1 inch, so you need from 589 to 615, and it's depend on B number. So this is some type of benefit this program. If you go to the material, there are list for brief for B number, as you see. It's from B number 1 to B number 16 and 2. Also, requirement for pre and post weld heat treatment. Let's see it. It's a brief requirement. When I shall make a pre-heat treatment and the post weld heat treatment, it's summarize the requirements. This terminology of groove. So if you want to know every detail for the groove welding, like root opening, bevel angle, root face, so it's terminology, shake with marking. Let's continue. This type of welding consumable selection. This from ABI 577. There is make a cross-linking. If you want to make a welding carbon steel to carbon steel, you must choose the electrode A/B, and there is electrode A. It's E1610. This type of low cellulose, cellulose, and this for root cover passes is E17 and 18. It's low hydrogen. So if you want to make welding for low alloy steel, mid and high alloy steel, stainless steel, you shall make a cross-linking between the two row in the stable, or two element, and the stable will supply you the suitable type of electrode that can you make welding. The last thing in welding is a standard for ISO. If you see where I lose the internet connection, can open it from the PDF, any type of PDF reader, if it's suitable. And this the first paragraph of our program, the welding. The next video we will discuss the second one, piping. So if you want to download it, have internet connection and go to the Google Play and write Smart QC. Then it's second one. You shall press the download button and it will be available in your mobile. Thank you.